I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi there. Welcome to Jessica's Journeys. Today, I'm sharing a 4K look at one of Portugal's most beautiful spots, Praia da Roca. It's a stunning beach with natural limestone cliffs and gorgeous views of the Atlantic Ocean. If you're interested in exploring Praia da Roca and learning more about its magical beauty, please click like and leave a comment to let me know. As you walk down the beach, you will find the sound of the waves and the sea breeze cooling your skin. You'll see the limestone cliffs reaching up to the sky and the most beautiful, deep blue sea below them. The bright golden sand stretches before you, and the sky reflects the beauty of this special place. The locals will welcome you with open arms and a smile as you explore one of Portugal's most beautiful spots. Take a tour of the Praia da Roca promenade and get lost in the locals' old-fashioned charm. Stop for coffee in one of the nearby bars and soak in the peacefulness of it all. Take a walk up to the Castle of Santa Catarina and witness its incredible architecture up close. Don't forget to take pictures for memories that will last you a lifetime, and cherish the beauty of this place. The Praia da Roca promenade is the perfect spot for relaxing, with its lovely cafes and beautiful views. Just sit and relax and truly enjoy your time here. Come and explore this truly stunning place. Click like and write a comment if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to get notifications on my next journey. I can't wait to show you more of the world's beauty through Jessica's Journeys.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.